Back now to Primetime Sports Sunday. We run off with horse racing as the curtains came down on the 2020 season. 6-5 favourite Further and Beyond helped hand Anthony Nunes a second hold on the Trainers' Championship after capturing the Jamaica 2-year-old stakes going a mile at Caymanas Park today. Denise Walters was at the track and filed this report.
Anthony Nunes, heading into Sunday's final day of racing, already had one hand on a second successive Trainers' title. However, with the joint champion jockey Dane Nelson down for the day, Further and Beyond was without his customary rider. Nunes gave the 55-year-old classic winning jockey Ian Dolly Baby Spence a chance ride. Spence's experience showed as he stalked Further and Beyond's stablemate Hoist the Mast into the lane before making his move.
They'll come into the lane. They're at the top of it in the 2-year-old stakes, and Hoist the Mast continues to hold that lead. Further and Beyond lengthening strides on the outside. She's a Wonder looking a bit wobbly, looking for room in between horses, but it's Hoist the Mast and Further and Beyond making eye contact, and Further and Beyond now grabs the lead at the furlong pole. Hoist the Mast is left back on the rail. She's a Wonder will try to attack. Den Street has more to find, but it's Further and Beyond beginning to go further and further away from them. Further and Beyond wins the 2-year-old stakes over She's a Wonder, Den Street, Hoist the Mast and Calculus.
Further and Beyond won in 1 minute 39 and 3 by 3 lengths.
I'm a little bit sad that Dane wasn't involved. I mean, he did a lot of work with him all of this year, and for him not to ride him in the feature 2-year-old race was disappointing. I just wanted somebody with experience and who I wouldn't have to use a lot of lead. Dolly Baby is he weighs maybe somewhere around 117 pounds, and I didn't want a lot of dead weight in his back. He's not a big colt. And Dolly Baby has experience. He's won classics before. Yes, he's over 50, but you know what? It's horse racing, not jockey racing, and both of them did a great job.
Nunes thanked his connections for making a second title possible.
I have an amazing staff back at the stable. Team Nunes does a really good job year in, year out. Whether we win or lose, I have the best clients in the Caribbean, and I have a wonderful family at home that supports in what I do.
Meanwhile, in former apprentice O'Shane Nugent rode a 2-timer, including 7-1 upsetter Trevor's Choice in the co-feature Chris Harmon sprint, going 5.5 furlongs.
But down the stretch with a furlong to run, and Trevor's Choice accelerates on the rail and grabs that lead. Peking Cruise in the center. Chase the Great now beginning to fly late. Trevor's Choice darting to the right, but just gets there to win the Christopher Chris Harmon Trophy over Chase the Great Peking.
Trevor's Choice won in 1 minute 5 and 2. Racing continues on Friday, New Year's Day. I am Denise Walters reporting from Caymanas Park for TVJ Sports.